Hey, what I love about this activity is that you are the expert about your own local region. You can find something that tourists would want to visit. I guarantee you that there is a reason why people would visit your local region, as there are many different types of tourists out there, and your local region would have something to offer them. So as you go through this, there are a couple of discussions that you are expected to participate in that basically revolve around you highlighting something in your local region and discussing that with others, trying to convince people why it would be a good idea to come there. So again, the first discussion, you just identify the favorite place that you have ever visited, and then the follow-up discussions have more to do with your local region. The final activity in this, the consolidation activity, is all about your town, you be the tourist. And again, you're going to create a Google My Map on something in your local region that people would want to visit. To create a Google My Map, all you need to do is go to Google, and you'll need to create an account, a Gmail account. If you don't already have one, perhaps your school account already acts as a Gmail account. You can try that, but it's also free when you go into Google. So if you go to Google, you can create an account very, very quickly. And once you've done that, simply do a search for My Maps, which is an app, a Google app. When you click onto Google Maps, it will take you right in. I have some maps that I've already created in the past. Yours will likely be blank if you've never created a Google My Map. And all you need to do is create a new map. By clicking on that, so let's start with the untitled map. So for the title, all I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and check out the name of the assignment, which the name of the assignment was The Spot Not to Be Missed. So I can literally just copy and paste that right into here. The Spot Not to Be Missed in Peterborough. There. And there's the name of my map right up there. After that, you can do a search for the area that you are going to be marking. I've done a search for Peterborough because that's what I'll be working with. I'm going to get even more specific, and I'm going to put the lift locks in Peterborough, which takes me right to where the lift lock is. You can also, instead of doing a search, if that doesn't work, you can just simply zoom in to the area where you know that feature is, and then you're going to place a marker there. So I'm going to add a marker to where the lift locks occur, and then I can add my own information to this. Now, the information that I'm going to add, let's start off with the name of the feature. So Peterborough lift locks. I can add a picture. So I've got pictures. I just went and got a picture off the internet, which I will go find right now. Peterborough lift locks, good. So I've got a picture in there, and I can save that. Now I can always go back to and add to that. So I've got to add some information to this. Now for the text portion of this, the content, go back to the actual assignment and see what we want. And it says use 3 of the prompts below. So spatial significance, patterns and trends, interrelationship, what type of destination is this? You can choose from any of those. I would copy and paste them directly in there to make sure that you don't miss them. And then use these headings. What natural or human feature makes this spot unique or attractive? Fill in that information. Okay, there, you've done spatial significance. If you choose patterns and trends to do as well, comment on how popular or undervisited this site is and talk about the future potential of this site. Okay, fill in that information. Now you've done patterns and trends. Or interrelationships. Are there any threats to this spot? How is this site important to the local economy? You can fill in that information there. Okay? When you've done all of that, share it. Get a shared link. Public one that you know that I'll be able to access your map. copy that link into your Dropbox. So make sure that I'm able to access this shared link, send it to somebody else first to test it. If they can access it, then so will I. But if they can't access it, I won't be able to either. Go back to your assignment. So go back to your assignment. At the bottom of the assignment, submit your work where the Dropbox is. You can go to the Dropbox. In the Dropbox, anytime you submit to Dropbox, you have to submit a file. You can submit anything in this case. You can submit a picture. You can submit a small text file that actually still has the link in it. But there's also a spot to comment in the Dropbox. When you submit an assignment, you can copy and paste that link directly into there. Okay, so you can either copy and paste it directly into the comment, or you could submit a small text file that also has the link in it. Don't forget to test the link first. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.